Sunup brought some grim realities to the east side. Parking tickets, buried cars, and parking checkers, who are now handing out second tickets to cars still snowed in. How can you tell what the license plate is?
It already had a citation on it.
So this guy's really going to have a bad day.
I guess.
But many found the stress of the aftermath tempered by goodwill at critical moments. Milwaukee's top cops freeing cars from cells of snow. And strangers appearing out of nowhere. Brian Mottet was stranded for a couple hours on Lincoln Memorial Drive overnight.
People, they were out just cruising around in this beefed up truck, and they hooked up to the back of my truck and pulled me out. But if it weren't for him, I mean, I called tow trucks, they weren't doing anything, and I called the police, and they laughed and said, good luck.
Tunes to shovel by.
Musician Paul Seabar offered moral support to the snowstruck on his morning radio show by spinning hot tropical tunes.
There have been African tunes and Colombian tunes. I kind of try to keep the rhythm going, particularly in the wintertime.
And then there were those who offered hot coffee to those working outside, even the local news crew. Why? Why us?
Because it's cold and y'all out here serving us and letting us know what's going on in the city, and we appreciate that.
Aren't you the sweetest little thing?
Thank you.